Okay, it's Super Bowl week, y'all.
It is.
Fortunately, our teams didn't make it. The Bears.
Rams definitely didn't.
No. Bears were this close.
Rams were about that close.
You have another favorite team, right?
Yeah, the Broncos were about that close,
Yeah,
you know.
they might as well have taken the year off.
Yeah, they shouldn't have played this season.
Yeah. But the Kansas City Chiefs and the San Francisco 49ers are in the Super Bowl, so we thought we'd give you a couple of cocktails to take to your Super Bowl party.
Yeah, let's spice it up. I'm Matt.
I'm Tommy.
We are Basic Batches.
And welcome back to Basic Batches.
Jump.
Hop.
All right, buddy. I bring celebratory drinks.
Okay.
Because this is the first alcohol episode, and I am excited.
All right. You know this. I'm detoxing in January.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, that was the point of like the vegan episode, and then that's why I was complaining a lot about the mac and cheese. I'm not drinking. I'm getting
But
svelte.
this is the time to bond. Like, this was...
That's why I wanted to do barbecue, bro, but you were like, oh, we gotta do a cocktail, it's perfect. And, well, here we are. I'm trying to appease you, but I can't drink.
Do you want to drink?
No, I don't. You don't want to see that.
So, that's okay. You just drink for both of us.
Okay. You want to get a drink? Tommy's roommate just came home and just offering drinks now. All right, well, I'll double fist today, I guess.
Yeah. This is going to be a long shoot. Okay, you know, let's try to keep it civil.
Can I go full stone cold?
What?
Can I go full stone cold?
Do it.
What does that mean?
That felt amazing. That felt really good, guys. I think we're good. We got an episode. So today we're making two different cocktails, one for Kansas City and one for San Francisco. I'll continue. Tommy's making a Missouri Mule. I'm so drunk already. Tommy's making a Missouri Mule, which is a drink based out of whiskey and Campari. Very popular out in that area.
Kansas City is in both Kansas and Missouri, but the team plays in Missouri.
I'm going to be honest.
Oh, God. Have some class.
I'm going to be honest. I had to look up which Kansas City Chiefs
We are
in.
dripping beer from the ceiling. I hope Mama Lisa grounds you.
I'm making a Pisco Punch. Pisco Punch was made very popular in San Francisco. What?
Why?
Can you stay serious for a second?
I'm intrigued.
So, in the 1800s, I did my research on this. I didn't do a lot of good research, I'm going to be honest. But a bartender... I'm going to be honest, I skimmed the notes.
Okay. So, let's hear what stuck with you.
Yeah, so a bartender back then... Pisco was, for some reason, very popular. If you don't know what Pisco is...
His name was Pisco?
No. Pisco is a type of liqueur. It is a Peruvian liqueur. It's very tasty. Pisco sours are very common.
Okay.
And
what
I guess
is it akin to?
I was reading online, they were calling it, like, whiskey, but I don't...
A white whiskey?
Yeah, I don't really agree with that. I would say it's probably closer to, like, a vodka.
you don't agree with all the people on the internet that are
they're stupid.
Experts in Pisco?
No.
Okay.
Pisco Punch basically got made because they had a ton of Pisco in San Francisco and the bartender...
Why?
I don't know. I didn't read that much.
Okay.
You know what?
We'll put in the show notes.
I'll put the link to the article in the notes.
Yeah. The article that Matt skimmed.
But it was very popular and it's become a San Francisco staple.
Okay.
Just pineapple, lime, Pisco. They use gum arabic, if you've ever heard of that.
I sure have.
Yeah, it's a type of thickening agent, basically. I couldn't find any, so we're not using it today.
Mm-hmm. For the Missouri Mule, we've got some Evan Williams whiskey. We got Campari. We got triple sec. It's supposed to be Applejack.
It is Applejack.
No, this is Jack Daniel's Apple. There's difference. Applejack.
There's no difference.
Oh my gosh. We can use this in a pinch.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to go out and buy Applejack, you can certainly use...
So what's Applejack?
An apple-flavored brandy. This is a apple-flavored whiskey.
Same thing.
It's close enough that we can use it. And then we also got some lemon juice. I mean, we can't take this child anywhere.
All right, make your drink.
You want me to go first?
Yeah, you go first.
Okay, I'm going to go first. I got my little shaker here.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I left that there.
Okay, you're rearing up for a grand old time today.
Continue.
You know the Super Bowl is not today. It's this weekend.
You got to warm up.
Okay, okay. You're just stretching. All right. So,
Getting notes of beer.
how astute, Matthew.
Thank you. What are you doing?
I'm going to fill this guy with a little bit of ice.
Okay.
So, we're going to add 2 shots of the Evan Williams whiskey. 1. And the way you add some flair to your bartending is if you get some liquid in and out of the cup.
Did you see the raindrop? What did you think I was doing?
I really want to catch one in my mouth.
Then we've got... No, you don't want ceiling beer.
What
And
do
we're
we
going
got?
to do 2 more shots of Campari.
Campari is a type of Italian orange liqueur.
Yep.
For those who don't know, I am a huge fan of it.
It's used commonly in Negronis.
Negronis are my favorite cocktail.
That was a Grandpa Brown staple.
Oh, yeah? Oh, we would have gotten along.
But the only reason why he drank it was because it tasted so bad
It
that
tastes
he
good.
would just sip it. Versus having, if he had 1 cocktail a night, he was going to have a Negroni because it took forever for him to finish it.
It tastes good.
Okay. Well, then we're going to do 1.5 shots of triple sec.
Okay. Triple sec is a lighter version of orange liqueur.
Ooh. So we're doubling down on the orange for this.
Yeah, this is a very orange-based
Missouri
flavor.
Mule. And then 1 shot of Applejack or apple whiskey, if that's what you have.
Missed a little.
Well, it's a healthy pour. Healthy pour.
That smells good. It straight up just smells like a Jolly Rancher. You can't even smell the Campari.
It actually does smell like a Jolly. It does smell
Yeah.
exactly like a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do a 1.5 shots of lemon juice.
Nice.
Remember, don't get those seeds in there. Oh, squirted it all over Khalil Mack. You're such a child.
That's really funny.
You got 1 little seed. I don't know, why is my pinky out? I'm so fancy. Where did you just pull that from?
From my pants. White Claw Nation.
Are you a proud representative of White Claw Nation?
I am one of their ambassadors.
Okay. 1.5 shooby-doos of lemon juice.
Okay.
We're going to pop our top on. Now, this is important. Are you listening? It's all about the form.
Okay. Show
Thumb
me.
over,
Yeah.
and then
All right. Come on, give me a little finesse.
I mean finesse, like this,
All right.
like
all
that,
Right. All right.
like this,
Yeah, there you go.
and then you flip it like this.
I be tripping in finesse. It makes no sense.
God.
Quick technical difficulty.
It's definitely shaken.
It's definitely shaken, so
Yeah.
we're going to toss it up one more time, and then you pop. Whoop. Oh, does this come off?
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah.
Ah! Well, all of our towels are in use, sopping up all the beer on the floor. So I'm just going to do this.
Get the ice in there. Oh, look at that color.
It's a very nice color. We're going to pop a couple more cubes in there.
Okay. Maybe garnish with a little lemon wedge or something.
I would love to do that.
I need some ice too, buddy.
Oh, do you, meow?
Yeah.
And we do a little shooby-doo. And that is a Missouri Mule.
Nice. You're not even gonna taste it?
I can't drink. You can't. You have your pinky and index finger up. That's extra fancy.
I'm rock and roll fancy.
Ah.
That is. I hate the Chiefs, but
That's true.
this is really good.
Yeah, you are a Broncos
Wait.
fan. You like that?
Oh my god!
You like that?
I need someone who can drink so they can understand. This is really good.
Nailed it?
Yeah,
Okay, pound it.
pound it.
Bam! That is how you make a Missouri Mule.
Just add that to my list
Yep,
of
put
cocktails.
that over to your station.
All right.
I'm
Ready?
slipping in beer.
As we said, I'm doing a Pisco Punch for San Francisco.
The Frisco Pisco?
The Frisco Pisco Punch for the San Francisco 49ers. So, first thing you do, you shift. You take a warm-up drink.
Did you put that in there? How did? What is in that?
Something good.
Rocket fuel?
Okay, so get your warm-up drink in. Next, we're in. Excuse me for a minute. Okay, I swallowed wrong. Okay, so we're going to start our cocktail. That felt really empowering. We're going to take some pineapple.
Ooh, freshly
And-
cut.
Normally, you just use pineapple juice for this.
Okay.
I'm going to use a little bit of the juice from the container, but I'm
Uh-huh.
also going to muddle fresh pineapple in there.
I gotta say, I absolutely detest that canned pineapple juice, so
Mhm.
I appreciate.
Yeah. Make it taste a little better, so there's some fresh pineapple. And then, just for a little extra flavor, we'll muddle some in there. Muddle.
Muddle.
Boop, boop, boop. Now we will add the ice after we've muddled.
Okay.
We don't want to muddle the ice. We're going to take some Pisco.
Okay.
And we're just going to... Yeah, that seems good.
Okay. Drop in a
I
half.
feel like you're judging me.
Oh, no judgment. No judgment. It's a judgment-free zone.
Okay. We're going to take some lime.
Okay.
Squeeze that in there. Based on the amount of Pisco, I'm probably going to do a full lime.
Yeah, why not? Diluted.
Yeah, let's
Even
get wild.
just the slightest.
And then some simple syrup, equal parts water and sugar dissolved together.
Boom. Touch me and you die.
Okay, man. There we go. We got our drink.
Okay.
I'm going to strain it as to not get all the chunks of pineapple in there.
Oh, okay. You don't want the chunks.
No, I want to be smooth.
Okay.
Throw some ice cubes in my rocks glass. And
Ooh. Ooh.
beautiful. Take a piece of pineapple, man.
You may.
Big old piece of
Famous
pineapple.
last words.
Okay. And
You picked the largest slice of pineapple I've ever seen.
it looks good.
It looks great.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's actually bad luck.
Ooh. Yeah, these are good.
Yeah, we did a good job.
Good job, people.
Okay. Hey,
This was an easy episode.
that was quick.
That took like 20 minutes.
We got our cocktails. Happy Super Bowl. Happy Super Bowl, everybody. I hope you have a great time. Big party. We're rooting for a good game here.
Yeah.
Nice, good commercials.
Yeah. Hopefully we see some good commercials.
Yeah, hopefully more than like 2 good commercials.
I'm looking at Doritos.
Doritos.
Doritos always steps it
They
up.
do.
Come on,
They
Doritos.
do a good job.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's it for us. I'm Tommy.
I'm Matt.
We're the Basic Batches.
And we out.
Peace. My feet are sticking to the floor.
I'm gonna be wasted.